Sorry. Yeah, no, it's fine, you're fine. We have Ian Emsley in. This is his 240. He's been in for spring, spacers, carbon front splitter. Now you're in for a Remus exhaust, and your reaction is kind of priceless. What do you think?
Awesome, couldn't be happier.
Nice one.
Not be happier.
Right, I'm going to film you driving off. Give it a bootful. Cool.
How do you start one today? White cars.
Today is a new day. We're going to call it oh, hi Nick.
Hi.
Found Nick.
He's here.
He was in his office, front office.
He's in front office.
Meditating, exactly. Just picked this up from Centurion. We're doing a M Performance body styler kit onto its front, side, rear diffuser. He just want to be on camera.
Yeah, he does. He loves it.
He loves it. And then you still haven't seen your car back in yet though.
I'm going to bring your car in. I'm waiting for a nice day, aren't I? And,
Nice day.
That looks like a chance of rain to me, mate. Yeah.
Whatever in your shorts.
Exactly right.
Look at you in your vans.
With the Royal Mail look. You casting dispersing and stuff.
We don't discriminate here, except when you look like that.
Thanks, snap on. Where's the stall anyway? Okay. That's a good point, isn't it? Right,
I got a free hat for him, just shut up.
So we're going to put the M Performance style body kit onto this, so it'll be the front, side blades and the rear diffuser and the black grills. Probably not going to do the side decals on this one. This has got quite a light interior. I think it'll make it look a bit too motorsporty on the standard wheels. We are going to lower the car and put space onto it, so we'll try it anyway. So we'll get this one done. We've got Mr. Lewis, TRL, on his way back up.
So just call him Tony RL.
Tony RL? Mr. Tony RL. Typical YouTuber. Late again.
Well, he's not really a YouTuber though, is he?
Did lots of videos on YouTube. Anyway, so onto this one, and we just done a white 240 M240i, should have said, for Remus.
Yeah.
Love that car so much.
It's a big yes from us.
Yeah. Apparently he was very happy as well.
I've got him squealing like a little girl on camera.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you do the before and after on the M4?
Yep.
Oh, that's good, because that car had an MPE onto it, and a lot of people go, oh, I've got the MPE, it's great.
It also had the Motech Stuts!
$14.95.
And the hoodies are $34.95.
Okay, running
with free postage. Yeah. But they're all on the website.
Like and subscribe down below, comment, whatever else down below. What else can I do down below?
I don't know. Oh, no, I don't know.
No. Okay, let's do this.
Okay. Here's Tony. Hello. Did you enjoy your track day the other day?
Oh mate, that was amazing, wasn't it?
You had a bit of fun, didn't you? I'm going to actually insert a little clip of Tony hooning it around now. What are we testing, Mike?
Just so people know, we're not putting it straight onto bare paint, it's still got the protective film on it. Because this one's Tony's car, so we're doing a little bit something a bit different.
You told him about your sneaky little idea?
Yeah, I did, but I think he quite thought the idea of it just doing complete carbon.
I just like carbon, I'm just a carbon board.
Look at it in the sunlight here. Alright, come around here.
Right, leave it.
Carbon?
Spit it and have it as it is.
Okay.
Nice one, Tony.
Plenty of 3M, yeah?
Good choice.
Make sure it sticks.
No, we'll bond this one. Yeah, this one, we'll bond it on them. That's cool.
Looks good though in white, doesn't it?
Yeah, I still think it needs a bit more detail.
Do you reckon?
Yeah, I think maybe when it's all done.
This is not colour coded yet either, is it?
No. So maybe when we've done everything on it, it'll be good. So we have the proper Stormtrooper stuff going on, but we're talking about whether or not to develop some special Motech M Sport stripes to fit in here.
That might look quite cool.
Follow that line across. So we might come up with some sort of new design that'll just fit in there, just to break up the side a little bit.
Make it look lower, wouldn't it?
Well, it makes it look different this way, so you really see it once you've obviously got the graphic into it. And then the whole point, I think like we sort of said before, maybe adding a bit of the M Performance colours into it, to just sort of, so it's a bit motorsport, because you can get away with doing that on a white car.
M140 CS they call it.
Which car can be kept? Mate, can't keep it in there. Got glass display cabinet. Away.
Oh, there, mate.
Hello.
Hi.
So, 435D done. What do you think? With the M Performance parts onto it. Nice little drop onto it. So the grill's done today. Oh, well, yesterday, so that was good. TRL's car's gone. Oh, I loved how that looked in the end. That was... You really actually wiping your nose?
Yeah, honestly. I'm going to show you me because I'm suffering so bad. I can't actually open my eyes, they're that bad. I feel so poorly.
Shut up, there's a car day for you. Anyway, so TRL's car's gone. They dropped off this one, white 5-door. This is in for, well, the Motech.
Big spoiler tick from me. Big Maxton full diffuser and side splitter things from me.
Oh, on Tony's car. Car number 10.
Yeah.
So that's 10. 11's on the ramp, 12's come up next week. Busy.
Yeah.
I'm going to let you film this now, because... yeah, on that note, bye.
No, come on. We need to vlog, Michael. Why do they do this?
Well, because it thinks there's stuff in the boot. So it has to have this down. Is this still going in the vlog? Are you sneezing?
Yeah. Oh, soft close. Oh god, it's ruined my shot. Whoa! You're such an idiot. Lauren! Get back up to the office. Wait to Mike.
I'm putting number 8 on, although this is car number 11. Car number 11. But car actually number 8 wanted number 11 sticker. So, you know, just finishing this one off. Got to wait for the Maxton. Front is here. The sides are imminent, and the rear diffuser is. The rear spoiler is
non-existent.
Non-existent. Thank you very much.
Who knows? Something above you, mate. You're ducking for a reason.
So, two things. We're going to walk around. We're going to talk about this car because it's a really nice white 5-door. As you know, it's all finished. It's got to put the M's on the side. Goes back to Tony for paint.
What are you doing?
Going to be painted black. Side blades will be in tomorrow. As you know, Motech starts Springs and Spaces. Centurion loved the 435D. Couldn't do a deal on a Porsche. So.
Did they even know about the Porsche?
No, I had a conversation with a Porsche for me, potentially, but
that wasn't on.
No. But I'm just saying, there's something else coming in the pipeline.
Hey, pipeline.
But speaking of cars, if I just do that or that, which shoulder? That one.
Much bad lighting, but it's over there, and it's such a wide angle lens, you're never going to see it.
Should we go and have a look?
Yeah, go on, yeah. Da 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 da. Shout out to Elsie's Fiesta. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Thoughts?
What's an E36, isn't it? Mark Paddock Motorsport, big up Mark, really genuine, nice guy, heart of gold. We're going to do a few more bits with him, so watch his space, which is really good. They took Patrick on board like a son.
Yeah, I would definitely say so.
I've looked after him tremendously on this car. So as we all know, Patrick had a bit of a skiddy crash. He'll put a picture now of his car.
Oh, it's too much effort to try and get that off.
You'll put it in.
You can follow my channel at Talk Chasers to go see what actually happened. Back to you.
So yeah, Patrick had a boo-boo on his car. So he found, obviously Mark and Paddock said, I got a shell, so they mixed the two together basically.
Yeah. So now this number plate, as much as I bloody love it, and I would love for it to stay on the car, it is actually a car from
Jersey. So the car was originally UK based, then a chap in the Marines took it over to Jersey and then put that plate on it obviously, and now it's come back to the UK.
So it has BC coil levers on, which we're probably going to be changing.
Yes.
It has AC Schnitzer wheels, genuine, it has a space to get onto it.
They're not genuine. I wish they were.
They look it, but okay.
Apparently there's not a stamp in the middle of the wheel.
There's not a stamp in the centre. They look really nice though.
But I love this. I love the fact that this is onto it. I love the orange onto it.
Yeah.
I love the chrome. Don't black them out.
No, love the chrome.
Mirrors. Oh, BC3 windscreen.
Yeah, mate, that's right.
Really nice.
It's got the space. It's got the stance, mate. It's got 12 and 15 mil spaces.
If I'm honest, and this is me being honest, I wouldn't change that spoiler.
I'm changing the spoiler.
Really?
Yeah.
I like this. This was an option.
It was, as was this.
Yeah, because you could have had it with a brake light.
Yeah.
So I do really like it. It just needs a little bit of Patrick's TLC,
Yeah.
a little bit of love, a little bit of care, and this will be a really clean car.
It's going to be gorgeous.
As far as E36s, yeah, they're nice. Got nothing else to say about them.
Yeah.
As far as 420s go, yeah, got nothing really to say about them, mate.
25 grand, 57 miles per hour. What do you want?
You're leaving us
Oh yeah, I'm doing a charity run, aren't I?
tomorrow, so you may as well sign off the vlog, and I'll have to try and vlog tomorrow, and the day after that.
Can you look better than what you do now? You look like utter
Try.
Okay, yeah, because everyone saw how you looked earlier on. Yes, I'm off for 4 days, so I'm back in on the Tuesday. I'm doing a charity run. Yeah, so wish me all luck, and then, yeah, anything else, please like, comment, subscribe down below.